Mugs of cocoa warming hands all around. Stockings hanging, laughter spills through the sound. Twinkle of garlands and ribbons up high. Magic of Christmas, you can feel it inside. Holiday, holiday, oh holiday joy. Snowflakes on windows, sweet pine in the air. Candles glowing softly, love's everywhere.
Hello, friends. Oh, Miles, can you feel it? Can you feel the energy in the air? It is finally here. The season is here.
I can feel it, Sasha. I definitely feel it. Welcome back to the English channel, everyone. I'm Miles. It is so good to be here with you.
And I'm Sasha. We are so happy. Truly, we are glad you are spending your time with us today. You know, Miles, I was walking to the studio this morning. It was cold, very cold. I could see my breath in the air.
Oh, I know. Winter has arrived. It is freezing outside, but it is warm in here.
It is. And as I walked, I saw something. I saw a big Christmas tree in a window. It had bright lights, red and gold. It made me smile. It made me feel happy immediately.
That is the magic of this time of year. It really is. It's like the whole world starts to glow, just a little bit. And that is why we are here. This is the English channel. Our goal is simple English for daily life.
Yes, simple English. We want this to be easy. We want this to be fun. No stress, no big books, just us talking to you. English that feels like a warm cup of tea.
I like that. A warm cup of tea. Today, our topic is very special. We are talking about Christmas decorations. It is my favorite part of the holidays.
Mine too. I love the tinsel, I love the stars, I love the colors. But before we start, we have to say thank you to our community.
Yes, thank you for being here. If you like our podcast, please subscribe to the English channel. It is easy to do. Just click the button.
And share this episode. Share it with a friend who is learning English too. Do not just think about it, do it. It helps us grow. It helps us make more videos for you.
Exactly. We grow together. Now, Sasha, let me ask you a question. Are you ready? Are you ready to decorate?
Oh, I am ready. I have my boxes ready. I have my music ready. Today, we're going to listen to a family, a real family. They're doing exactly what we talked about. They are making their home beautiful.
I can't wait. I love hearing how people work together. It is not just about the tree. It is about the love. It is about the time they spend together. So everyone, get comfortable. Sit down. Relax. Let's listen to some real English. So, Sasha, for our listeners who are just starting their English journey, or even those who are advanced but want to sound more natural, what exactly should they listen for in this conversation?
That is a great question, Miles. I think we should break it down into 3 listening buckets. The first bucket is action verbs. These are the doing words. Listen for words like hang, move, clean, and untangle.
Oh, untangle. That is a very specific word. It means to take something messy and make it straight. We use it for hair, for computer wires, and definitely for Christmas lights.
Exactly. So, listeners, try to hear how the family uses those verbs to describe their work. Now, the second bucket is making suggestions. This is so important for daily life.
Right. In English, we don't always say do this or do that. That sounds a bit like a boss, doesn't it? Instead, we say, I think we should or let's.
Yes, it's much more friendly. Listen for how the mother says, I think we should start decorating. She is leading the family, but she's being warm and inclusive. It's a great phrase to practice if you want to sound polite in English.
And the third bucket.
The third bucket is Christmas vocabulary. There are some words that only come out once a year, like ornaments. ORNAMENTS.
Ah, yes, ornaments. Those are the beautiful little objects we hang on the tree. Some people call them baubles in the UK, but in our story we use ornaments. And don't forget the wreath.
WREATH. The W is silent, so it sounds like wreath. It's that beautiful circle of green leaves you see on a front door. It's a sign of welcome. Simple English for daily life, but it's a word that makes you sound very advanced if you say it correctly.
I agree. One more thing, Sasha. I noticed the family talks a lot about their feelings, too. Listen for words like excited or phrases like the house feels warm.
That's a great point, Miles. In English, we often use the word warm to describe a feeling, not just the temperature. It means a place feels safe, happy, and full of love.
Exactly. It's that feeling of being home. Well, I think our listeners are ready. They have their listening buckets ready. They know what words to look for.
I think so too. It's time to stop talking about the family and start listening to them. Remember, friends, don't worry if you don't understand every single word. Just listen for the rhythm. Listen for the joy.
Sit back, relax, and imagine a cold winter evening. You are standing in a hallway and you hear the sound of boxes moving. The journey begins now.
Let's head inside.
Mugs of cocoa warming.
Okay, team, look at the calendar. Christmas is coming very soon. I think we should start decorating today. Who's with me?
Well, the boxes are already in the hallway, so I guess I'm with you. The house feels a bit empty without the tree.
Yes, finally. Can we do the tree? Can we do it right now? I want to put the star in the very top.
I want the lights. I'm the light master. I want to be the one to plug them in at the end.
Hold on, Light Master. Slow down, everyone. Before we bring out the pretty things, we have a boring job. Let's clean the living room first.
She's right. You know the rule. Decorations look much better in a clean space. Could you pass me that cloth, please? We need to dust the shelves and move the coffee table to make room.
Okay. I'll handle the shelves. No icons. I'll make them sparkle so the ornaments look better. Where did we put the glass cleaner?
It's under the sink, honey. Thanks for checking.
And I'll help Dad move the sofa. Watch your step, Dad. The rug is a bit slippery. We need a big space for the tree this year.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. There. That's better. Now we are ready.
Everyone, please be careful with the red box. The glass ornaments are in there. They're very old and they break very easily.
I'm on it, Mom. I'm moving like a ninja. Very quiet, very slow. See? Safe and sound.
Okay, the tree is standing. It looks a bit naked, doesn't it?
It does. No, it needs some magic. Where are the boxes of tinsel? Ah, found them.
My turn. Lightmaster is on the job. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, man.
What's the matter, honey?
It's a giant ball of wire. The lights are all tangled. They look like a bird's nest. How does this happen every year? We put them away so neatly.
It's the Christmas mystery, son. The lights have a party in the box and get all mixed up. Don't worry. Let's untangle them together. You hold that end. I'll pull this loop through. Easy does it.
While the boys are doing surgery on the lights, I'm going to arrange the ornaments. I'll put all the gold ones here and the red ones there.
That's a great idea, sweetie. It makes the decorating go much faster when things are organized. You're a big help.
I think I got it. It's straight. Dad, could you plug it in?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh!
Wow, it's beautiful.
Oh, Sasha, the tangled lights. I felt that in my soul. Every year I tell myself, Miles, be organized. And every year it's a bird's nest of wires. It's a disaster.
It happens to the best of us, Miles. It really does. But that is the beauty of real life, isn't it? It's messy. And today we heard some very real life English. Let's look at those daily life phrases first. I loved when the sun said, I'm on it.
Yes, I'm on it. Listeners, this is a great one. It means I will do it immediately, or I am already starting the job. If your boss asks for a report or your friend asks for help, you can just say, I'm on it. It sounds very confident and very helpful.
Exactly. And did you hear the father? He said, watch your step. We say this when there's a danger on the floor, maybe a rug or a toy or a box. It's a very common way to tell someone to be careful while they're walking. Watch your step.
And one more from the family scene. Could you pass me? The father asked for the cloth. This is the most natural way to ask for something at the dinner table or while working. Could you pass me the salt? Could you pass me that box? It is polite and perfect.
Now, let's talk about the specific Christmas words. We mentioned tangled, Tangle. Miles, you said it's like a bird's nest. It's when things are twisted and stuck. You can have tangled hair after a windy day or tangled headphones in your pocket.
My life is a series of tangled headphones, Sasha. And then we have ornaments. Ornaments. Those are the decorations, the little stars, the glass balls, the tiny wooden reindeer. Anything you hang on the tree is an ornament.
And don't forget the wreath. Remember, the W is silent. WREATH. It's the circle of green branches on the door. It's a sign of welcome. I think everyone should try to say that word out loud right now. Wreath. It's a fun word to say.
It really is. But Sasha, my favorite part of the whole conversation was the structure, I think we should. It's so gentle. It's a suggestion, not a command. It makes people want to help you.
You're right. English is often about being soft and polite. Instead of saying, clean the room, the mother said, I think we should clean the room. It changes the whole mood. It makes it a team effort. Togetherness. That was our big word for today.
Togetherness. Being with people. Doing things as a group. That is the heart of the English Channel. We are learning together. We are growing together.
We really are. Now, friends, we have a little homework for you. Don't worry, it's a fun kind of homework. Today or tomorrow, look around your room. Find one thing you want to move or one thing you want to clean, and say it out loud in English. Use the phrase, I think I should move this, or I'll handle the cleaning.
Practice makes progress. Even if you are alone, say it out loud. It trains your mouth to speak the language. Simple English for daily life. It only works if you use it in your life.
Well said, Miles. Well, we have reached the end of our festive journey today. We hope your heart feels a little warmer and your English feels a little stronger.
If you enjoyed spending this time with us, please subscribe to the English channel. It really helps us. And share this episode with a friend. Tell them, hey, listen to this. It's easy and it's fun.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of our community. We are so grateful for you. Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy decorating.
Merry Christmas. Be safe, be happy, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.